Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix cannot deposit funds error. First of all, check your bank account link. Make sure your bank account is verified and active in the SoFi app. Next, confirm available balance. Ensure your linked bank has enough funds for the deposit. Check daily limits. SoFi may have deposit limits. Try a smaller amount if needed. After that, we'll have to update your app. So go to the app store, search for SoFi, and then see if there's an update button. If there is, then update your SoFi app to the latest version. Next, restart your iPhone to fix temporary glitches. Privacy tip: only link your own bank accounts in the official SoFi app to stay secure. Quick fix: if deposit still fails, try depositing through sofi.com in Safari. Contact SoFi support for account specific issues or holds. Subscribe for more fast mobile finance fixes.